Books stacked high, the hours drift slow. Pages turn, but where does it go? Soft whispers dance through the air. Coffee and quiet, my only two friends. A table for one where the stillness begins. Coffee and quiet, where the world makes amends. A pencil rolls, the clock ticks away. Thoughts scatter wide, but here they stay. Gentle hums a calm replay. The rain taps off like a shy hello. Curtains of gray let the warm light glow. Time feels heavy, but it moves so low. Coffee and quiet, my only two friends. A table for one where the stillness begins. Coffee and quiet, where the world makes amends. Breath in peace, let the rush dissolve. Life's puzzle away.